Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching physical ports. This saves time and avoids guessing. Inspect your PC's outputs and the monitor inputs. HDMI versus display port matters for resolution and refresh rate. Once done, plug the monitor power and connect with the best cable available. Use an adapter only when needed. Make sure the monitor is on the correct input source. If your laptop sleeps when closed, change power settings now so the external display will stay active after you connect it. After connecting, power both devices and wait for the signal. This is when the system recognizes the new display. Open Display Settings and choose Detect if it does not appear automatically. Then pick Extend to expand your desktop or Duplicate to mirror. Set the primary monitor to the one you use most, adjust resolution to match native pixels, and pick orientation, landscape or portrait. Make incremental changes and test with a window drag to confirm desktop flow. This helps reveal scaling. Finish by fine-tuning scaling and color so text and images look correct across screens. If you see no signal, make sure cables are fully seated and try a different port or adapter. Often the hardware path is the problem. Update or reinstall graphics drivers when the display is detected but flickers or shows wrong resolution. If problems persist, swap in a known good cable or monitor to isolate the faulty component. This single troubleshooting step quickly narrows down whether it's the PC, cable, or display.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.